Hey guys, it is insane how overdue this video is. I have been curling my friends' hairs for years. I've always been the only one who knows how to curl, and they begged me to make this video, and I figured if they don't know how to curl hair, there's probably a ton of y'all who don't. I don't know why you're intimidated by it. It's a stick. You just switch it on and there you go. It's definitely not as intimidating as it looks. First, I'm gonna part my hair. So you open up your clamp and you put it about there and then roll backwards. So now that you're all wrapped up, you have just a little bit of hair hanging. So you see how this hair has just that one curl? It's because it fell out a little too early. Some people like to have this long thing at the bottom. I actually do, especially on the bottom layer because I don't like it to be too short. What you can do is go a little bit further down and just keep curling up. And what you do with the clamp is just kind of release it. You softly press on it. And then so this is like a little bit more of a curl. I'll show you going the other way on the next hair. So if I were to do it going backwards, I would just put it in like this and I would roll that way. If you want to go the opposite way, you start with the clamp under and you roll towards you. So if you're rolling forwards, you want to make sure that the clamp is underneath, or whichever way, there's not gonna be a crease. And then you just kind of let it sit. So there's two curls. Just let them sit and cool, and then you're gonna brush them out later. So what people recommend is that you go backwards one for that's just one style of curling. There are so many. I mean, sometimes I go all the same direction, sometimes I alternate. I also have like, I think 4 or 5 curling irons, all different sizes, and the one I'm currently using, this is I think 1.25" barrel. This is called your barrel, and that's what comes in different sizes and creates a different kind of curl. So for the bottom layer, you're probably gonna wanna keep it longer, so don't make your curls so tight, which means you don't need to roll it so many times. And then when you let your curl out, you want to just release the clamp a little bit and kind of drag the curl down, which is gonna elongate it. You don't have to get all that complicated yet. If you just want to create a curl, go for it. So these are extremely loose curls, just for the bottom, because I just want to give it a little bit of texture. Okay, so next you're just going to want to re-separate your hair maybe. I only do 2 layers, but you might want to do more if you have longer hair. Typically, the more layers you do, the curlier it's going to come out. So I kind of put all of the uncurled hair to the front of my head, and then I start in the back, and then I kind of keep flinging it backwards. For those who are intimidated by a clamp, let's do wanding for just one. So if I pull it and I kind of let it cool like this, you're gonna get a serious curl, versus if when I curl it, I pull it down, you're gonna get something that's a little more relaxed. All right, you guys, well, that's it. This is just kind of my wavy, curly hair look. There's so many different ways that you can curl your hair, whether it's using a different barrel size, starting closer to the top, not finishing a curl at the bottom, going forwards or backwards with the curling iron. It all affects the way that a curl is going to lay with other curls, and just your overall look, whether it's more dressy or beachy. I'm very happy with my curls right now, so now I need to ask Nick to go and take me on a date. Thanks for watching.